Good evening and welcome to the News Hour Agenda. I'm Madhavadas Gopalakrishnan. While the India bloc puts up a united front, the divide and one-upmanship amongst the parties and their leaders is apparent time and again. In the latest, it's Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy who has trained his guns at several opposition-ruled states. Revanth Reddy intended to praise Hyderabad as the best city. And in his attempt to take a dig at other states, Revanth dubbed Kolkata a garbage city. He called the national capital highly polluted and slammed Bengaluru for traffic and Tamil Nadu's Chennai for its flooding problem. Listen in to what Revanth Reddy said.
కేంద్ర మంత్రిగా ఉన్న నితిన్ గడ్కరీ గారు స్వయంగా స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారు. ఢిల్లీలో పొల్యూషన్ అనేది పీక్స్ పోయింది. నేను ఢిల్లీకి వచ్చినప్పుడల్లా నా ఆరోగ్యం దెబ్బతింటుంది. దీన్ని ఏం చేయాలో తెలియని పరిస్థితి వచ్చిందని ఢిల్లీ మొత్తాన్ని సెలవు ప్రకటించి ఢిల్లీని బంద్ పెట్టే పరిస్థితి వచ్చింది. అంటే తొందరలోనే ఢిల్లీ నివాస యోగ్యత పట్టణాల నుంచి తొలగించి అక్కడ ఉంటున్న వాళ్ళు ఇతర ప్రాంతాలకు తరలి వెళ్లిపోయే పరిస్థితి ఉంది. అదే విధంగా బెంగళూరులో ట్రాఫిక్ జాములు మీరు చూశారు. చెన్నైలో వర్షాలు వస్తే పడవల్లో తిరిగే పరిస్థితి మీరు చూశారు. ముంబైలో కొట్టుకుపోతున్న పరిస్థితులు మీరు చూస్తున్నారు. కలకత్తా గురించి నేను చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరమే లేదు. ప్రపంచంలో చెత్త నగరం కింద పోటీ పడితే కలకత్తా ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేటట్టు ఉన్నది. ఈ మహానగరాలలో 6 నగరాలు ఉంటే ఢిల్లీ, ముంబై, చెన్నై, కలకత్తా, బెంగళూరు, హైదరాబాద్ మన ఒక్కరమే కాస్తో కూస్తో బాగున్నాం.
While his criticism was largely directed towards the opposition-ruled states, the statement sparked a war of words within the alliance. The TMC called the Chief Minister's statement an insult to the people of West Bengal and claimed Revanth Reddy's statement was a result of his ignorance. Listen in.
The Chief Minister of Telangana calling Kolkata a dirtiest city in the country.
तेलंगाना का चीफ मिनिस्टर सुस्त सलामत रहे, ये हम चाहते हैं और उनका सिटीज भी बढ़िया रहे. हमको पता है, देशवासी को भी पता है कोलकाता कैसी सिटी है, सिटी ऑफ जॉय.
पश्चिम बंगाल के बारे में तो मैं नहीं कह सकती, पर चूंकि मैं दिल्ली में रहती हूँ तो मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है कि 2011 में यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने दिल्ली को ग्रीनेस्ट कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड का खिताब दिया था. दिल्ली का ग्रीन कवर 30% से भी ज्यादा था और आज दिल्ली दुनिया के सबसे पोल्यूटेड सिटीज में से हो गई है.
And ironically, he has listed many cities which he feels are not livable, which are in a bad condition. That is Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Bengaluru. But he has forgotten that in most of these cities, except for Mumbai, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Chennai, whether it is Bengaluru, whether it is Kolkata, there are India Alliance governments or Congress governments.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let's take this across to our guest now. Joining us, Kishore Poreddy, spokesperson of the BJP. We have Asif Ansari, political analyst, joining us. With us also is Advocate Kaushal Mungta, leader of the Congress Party. Joining us also is Ravi Srivastava, who's a political analyst. Let me start first and foremost with Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, here you have the TMC, which says that Mr. Revanth Reddy is completely wrong. He has insulted the people of West Bengal. What's really going on?
Mother, I don't think that Revanth Reddy's statement is directed towards insulting or humiliating or any chief minister or a city for that matter. It must be in a competitive spirit. There is no doubt about it that Hyderabad is a far more developed city today. And they have got IT high-tech city, they have got Gachibowli, Madhapur, all that area is beautiful infrastructure has been developed. Whether it was done by KCR or whether it is done by Revanth Reddy is a different thing. But Hyderabad is definitely a livable city today, there is no doubt. Now, as far as Kolkata is concerned, till 1911, Kolkata was the capital of India. And even the late Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi said in 1985 that Kolkata is a dying city. And there were also comments that Kolkata is a city of joy. So it's a very, very controversial thing. But no doubt that Kolkata is bursting on its seams and it is definitely far more inferior as far as infrastructure, cleanliness or other aspects are concerned. compared to Hyderabad.
But,
And Revant
but it's
Reddy-
in very poor taste, Ravi Srivastava. I mean, whatever it may be, I mean, they may start tomorrow pointing out to certain pockets of Hyderabad or other cities which may not be as clean. You know, the point is that it is your alliance partner. You know, and what is absolutely mind-boggling is that he is targeting Bangalore, which is ruled by the Congress party, Chennai, where the DMK is in power, and Kolkata, where the TMC is in power, which is also part of the India alliance. What is the logic behind such comments?
That's why I rightly said that it's in a competitive spirit. You are in Delhi, you are not able to breathe even. There is Bengaluru. On 28 September 2022, entire city was submerged in water. You have got Mumbai, where I live.
Hyderabad has never been submerged in water. There's never been any flooding problem there.
See, the problem is that submerging problem is everywhere, but not to this extent. That's what I'm saying. Mumbai, people are falling in gutter and dying. So what kind of pride somebody can take that, look, my shirt is whiter than yours. So that is there, but definitely Hyderabad is...
Let me bring in Asif Ansari. Asif Ansari, do you agree with that? It's only the competitive spirit you're reading too much into the comments of Mr. Revant. Would you like to respond to Ravi Srivastava?
Yeah, well, Madhav, I must say that the competitive state is always been encouraged if it is said in that way. But taking a jeep on the other state, but calling it the garbage has never been taken as a appreciation or in a competitive state. It's really an insult of the people of West Bengal. If you see, if Rajiv Gandhi has quoted that Kolkata is a dying city, we will taking that quote with a respect. Definitely it was a dying city, but since the time TMC has taken up the rules of the West Bengal has been awarded by the Center of Excellence on the Research Climate Change, Air Pollution, SERA, conducted by the IIT Delhi, that Kolkata is the second cleanest city globally. Then Kolkata and Bhatpara were among the city of 100 in 2023 by the Swachh Sargikan Award. But these are the awards which are given by the central government and by the global acknowledgement and the applauds which are being given.
No, but secondly, the 2024 survey, to be very frank, the Swachh Bharat survey, it was found the dirtiest city in India. Let's stick to the facts. It may be in poor taste the way in which Mr. Revant Reddy said it, but there is some amount of fact in as far as, and it's not just about Kolkata. All the cities with population over 1 lakh, the 10 worst cities were unfortunately in West Bengal. That's what the government surveys are showing, sir.
Yeah, if it is showing, I should not negate the facts which are coming in, if it is there, but people who are coming to West Bengal see the developments, what the developments are coming. And secondly, I must say that the geographical settlement of the other state and the city, as it has been said about the Mumbai, so these are the coastal area where the floods are quite frequent, will be coming. And as far as the West Bengal is concerned, so I must tell Madhav that the Calcutta port is the only port which comes within the city. It is only, and its hinterlands lies within the city, and the area which has been talked about like Bhatpara, Shirampur, these are the jute mills area where mostly the jute mills, the industrial areas are there. That doesn't come in the urban area where most cleanings and more hygienes are being seen. Those are the industrial area, might be the garbage industrial waste could be found by the surveyor, but actually in the sense of hygiene and civics level, I think Kolkata is immaculately at the top of the pinnacles.
Okay. Let me bring in fact, Advocate Kaushal Mukta. Advocate Kaushal Mukta, अब जो भी हो, end of the day, you know, when you are in an alliance, you don't pass such jibes. आज TMC ने officially Mr. Revant Reddy को, you know, officially कहा है कि गलत बोल रहे हैं, poor taste में वगैरह वगैरह. ये थोड़ा सा तो रिस्ट्रेंट होना चाहिए और आखिरकार किस तरह की भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं. बिहारी डीएनए की बात करते हैं. अब इस तरह के गार्बेज कूड़ा सिटी है, एक नेबरिंग, एक अलायंस पार्टनर की कैपिटल को कह रहे हैं. दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज अवॉइडेबल. क्या जरूरत है इस तरह की भाषा की प्रयोग करने की?
देखिए आई एम सरप्राइज कि कांग्रेस के नेताओं के, चाहे वो हिमाचल प्रदेश के अंदर समोसे वाला विवाद था, चाहे वो उनका एक जो पर्यावरण को की दृष्टि से लिया हुआ हमारे कांग्रेस के जो मुख्यमंत्री है तेलंगाना के, उनका बयान है, इसको बहुत ही बड़े तरीके से पूरे देश के अंदर दिखाया जा रहा है, जबकि इतना बड़ा मुद्दा है नहीं है. लेकिन फिर भी अगर ये पॉलिटिकल मुद्दा बन गया है तो मैं कहना चाहता हूं, जैसे हमारे तृणमूल कांग्रेस के साथी ने कहा कि जो है 1911 के अंदर हमारी राजधानी रही है कोलकाता, बहुत ही हमारा सुंदर सिटी ऑफ जॉय है, लेकिन अगर पर्यावरण की दृष्टि से कुछ बात कही गई कही है कि विश्व के अंदर अगर 2-3 प्रदूषण की मात्रा अगर के मामले में अगर देखें, अगर ये सिटी आती है तो ये चिंतन का विषय है, ये पर्यावरण की दृष्टि से चिंतन का विषय है। इंडियन एयरलाइंस के जितने भी हमारे साथी है, अगर उन्होंने तमिलनाडु का भी जिक्र किया, बेंगलुरु का भी जिक्र किया, उन्होंने दिल्ली का भी जिक्र किया, गडकरी जी ने भी जिक्र किया, आदरणीय गडकरी जी ने भी जिक्र किया कि मैं दिल्ली नहीं जा पा रहा हूं, वहां की आबो हवा खराब हो चुकी है, स्कूल बंद कर दिए गए हैं, मैं वहां सदन में जो है उपस्थित होने के लिए बीमार ना हो जाऊं, डर के मारे जा नहीं पा रहा हूं। तो ये मुझे लगता है कि ये अच्छे लोगों नेताओं का अच्छा कंसर्न है। अगर कोई सिटी हमारी प्रदूषण के जो मानकों को ऊपर जा रही है तो ये चिंता का विषय है। इसको
नहीं, आप अपने शहर की अच्छी बातें करिए, लेकिन आप दूसरे शहरों की बुरी बातें भी मत करिए सर पब्लिकली इस तरह। दोनों में थोड़ा सा फर्क है। और आपको मैं एक चीज बता दूं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, ऐसे कह रहे हैं बाकी शहरों में वाटर लॉगिंग होती है, ऐसा नहीं कि हैदराबाद में नहीं होती। अभी हमने अगस्त के महीने में देखा किस तरह से हेवी रेन्स के बाद उस शहर में भी कई जगहों पे देयर वाज वाटर लॉगिंग, देयर वर डाउनपोर्स, देयर वर ट्रैफिक जैम्स एज वेल, एंड देयर वाज इवन वन पर्सन हुज बॉडी वाज वॉश्ड अवे। एंड ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट वेस्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग सिटीज एज पर द नेशनल एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट। तो किस आधार पे कह रहे बेस्ट सिटी है? हो सकता है बेस्ट हो, मैं उस पर आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू दैट, बट सर्टेनली व्हेन देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ हैदराबाद, you know, raising the same points as disadvantages of other cities is a little disingenuous, Mr. Mungta.
जी, मुझे एक छोटी सी बात करना चाह रहा हूं। 2 साल पहले का सर्वे है, PM 2.5 का एक हेल्थ इफेक्ट इंस्टीट्यूट स्टेट ऑफ ग्लोबल एयर इनिशिएटिव का एक सर्वे है, 2 साल पहले का है। उन्होंने स्वयं माना था कि दिल्ली और जो हमारा कोलकाता है वो जो है एयर पॉल्यूशन के मामले में पूरे देश के अंदर जो सबसे पहले आता है। उसमें हमारा अगर विश्व स्तर पर देखें तो शिकागो और मॉस्को भी इसमें आता है। मेरा सिर्फ इतना कहना है कि हाँ, ये अगर इसको पॉलिटिकली देखेंगे तो एक अलग बयान हो सकता है, एक ऐसा बयान हो सकता है जो कि लोगों के सेंटीमेंट को जो है दुखा सकता है। परंतु अगर हम पर्यावरण की दृष्टि से देखें तो हमें चिंता करनी चाहिए। और कोलकाता हिंदुस्तान का एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण शहर है, आर्थिक शहर है, और एक मैं कहूंगा कि आत्मा है। 1911 के अंदर जो है ये हमारी राजधानी भी रही है। उस मामले में थोड़ा गलत है, अन्यथा मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर आप इसको पॉजिटिवली देखेंगे
किसी भी मुख्यमंत्री के बयान को राजनीतिक तौर पे उसकी टिप्पणी तो होगी, क्रिटिसिज्म तो होगी। लेट मी ब्रिंग इन किशोर पोरेड्डी। किशोर पोरेड्डी, इट इज ओनली बीइंग स्टेटेड फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न पर्सपेक्टिव. One should not read political meaning into this. Please respond to what Mr. Mungta and others are saying.
Madhav, good evening to you and fellow panelists. So, as you said, I think the language used was really in poor taste. Unfortunately, in Telangana, earlier we had the BRS leadership, I mean BRS government, and now the Congress government. Both the chief ministers as well as the senior ministers in both governments, they use similar language. Earlier, KTR, the son of former Chief Minister KCR, called Biharis and Uttar Pradesh people beggars because South contributes more to the taxes, and all that money Modi ji is diverting it to Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. That's you can state the fact. But the fact is, using language like as if they are living on the arms given by like Telangana, that was really, really in poor taste. It is our misfortune that we have leaders like this, either the BRS ones or currently Revanth Reddy, the current chief minister as well. I mean, calling Kolkata a garbage city, I mean, he could have put that in a different way. I mean, all our cities, I would say, including Hyderabad, require rejuvenation, right? I mean, they have grown beyond maybe anybody's expectations a few decades earlier, without much of town planning going into it, without improvements in drainage, sewerage facilities. I mean, the rivers passing through the cities, like for example in Hyderabad, the Musi River. I mean, if you dip your feet in that, you are certain to get infections. I mean, even for agriculture purposes, that water is not usable. So that kind of pollution we have in Hyderabad. Given that is the case, right? And when there are downpours, as you mentioned, I mean, Hyderabad is clogged. I mean, people get out in boats. The disaster relief officials get out in boats to rescue people. I mean, that is all there on TVs and news channels as well. So, I mean, he could have said the same facts, like Delhi is one of the highest polluted cities.
Kaushal Mungta wants to respond to you. Kaushal.
जी, नहीं, भाजपा के जो साथी है वो हमेशा से ही राजनीति करने में बड़े निपुण है। एक छोटी सी चीज पर भी राजनीति करते हैं। इन्होंने बहुत सारे बयानों का जिक्र किया कि भाई ये जो ऐसे बयान देते हैं जो पॉलिटिकली बहुत ही जो स्ट्रेंज बयान होते हैं, पर मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो इनके जो पूरे भी जितने भी इनके लीडर्स है, ये कभी किसानों की बात नहीं करते। शंभू बॉर्डर पर आज किसान है, ये मणिपुर के अंदर हमारी माताएं बहनें नग्न घुमाई गई, उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे।
ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय है, उसको इससे मत जोड़िए प्लीज। मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कौशल जी, मैं अलग से किसानों पे चर्चा कर रहा हूँ, अभी इसी शो में कर रहा हूँ। थोड़े मिनटों में मैं आपसे गुजारिश इतना करूंगा कि सब्जेक्ट पे हम रहे, सब्जेक्ट पे रहे। एंड लेट मी
सब्जेक्ट पर ही हूँ, ये सब्जेक्ट से बाहर जा रहे हैं।
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं। जो रेवंत रेड्डी का बयान है और रेवंत रेड्डी के फॉर्मर बयानों की बात कर रहे हैं, उनके पास एक पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट बयान देने की आदत नहीं है, ये कह रहे हैं ये।
Just a second. If I had indeed, as the Congress spokesperson has said, if I had indeed tried to make it political, I would have said, see, Kolkata had been administered, West Bengal, you have communists, and then later the TMC, Delhi, you have the AAP government, and then in Chennai, you have the DMK government. I could have gone, political if I wanted to. And I could have said, especially in West Bengal, there was never a BJP government. Was there ever a BJP government, even in alliance there?
Okay.
So, in Delhi, you have Sheila Dikshit ji's governance for 15 years, and then AAP government.
Best governance.
Okay. Let me bring in fact Ravi on that. Ravi, there is a problem. One second, gentlemen, let me come in now. Ravi Srivastava, there is a problem. Mr. Revanth Reddy has earlier also made certain comments. His BRE DNA comment is there. We have perhaps debated it on my show as well. But the point being made over here is perhaps Mr. Revanth Reddy himself should be a little cautious, because end of the day, he is the chief minister and there are infrastructural problems. Fine, there may be many new infrastructure areas that have been built by, the current or the previous regimes, but all our cities are a work in progress at the end of the day. No one city can claim to be perfect.
Madhav, you are right, but I am asking you one question, that why we are always taking it like India Alliance partner, DMC is a part of it, DMK is a part of it, there are 26 parties who are part of it. So let us not make this a statement a political one, right? It is been made by a chief minister, so you can give it any other tone.
So we should close our eyes, close our ears, not listen to TMC saying that this is bad, this is incorrect.
We should we should talk about a competitive spirit.
But TMC doesn't think it's competitive spirit, sir. Have you heard the spokesperson's bite? They are not taking it in a competitive spirit. You just heard Mr. Ansari. He leans towards the TMC. He's saying this is wrong. Even if he believed it to be correct, there should have been a better articulation and more politically correct language. He just told you that.
Like he has said about the Bangalore also. So the Bangalore is ruled by the Congress itself.
That's the point.
His own party.
Yes, exactly.
So, these things should be taken in altogether a different perspective and not political way that this is ruled by this particular party or that particular party. Everybody should strive to improve its infrastructure, its governance, so that the cities become livable. All cities are practically all metros. They are bursting at seams, and they have got huge problems with regard to pollution, infrastructure, environment, everything. It's going out of hands. So there should be an effort to improve the things instead of giving it a political color that it is an India.
But then don't claim the higher moral ground and say I am much better than everybody else, no?
Everybody calls himself a good leader.
Okay. Aziz, okay, let me bring Aziz quick response. Asif, quick response. Please unmute your device and then speak, sir.
Yeah, I must say, Madhav, that sarcasms and suggestions have different tones. If the part of government representatives is telling that it should be taken in a very sportive and a competitive way, I think the suggestion could be in a very soft and in a very gentle way, but not in a such sarcastic way that the worst garbage city is Kolkata. It should not be taken in a sportive way. It's really hurt and it really need a repercussions for that.
Okay.
And being a citizen of the West Bengal, we are going to tell it aloud, very clear, that we belong to a very highest level of civic society we maintain. We Bengalis are always been considered as, I'm not demeaning any part of the India as non-civic person.
All right.
But Bengalis
Let's wrap up the debate here. Let's wrap up the debate here. Asif Ansari, Advocate Kaushal Mukta, Ravi Srivastava, Kishore Poreddy. But I will only say this while I leave you, gentlemen, is that Riju Datta of the TMC has given a soundbite which is sure to spark off a bigger debate, because he says that while we have deep regards for Hyderabad, it's a wonderful city, but Mr. Reddy should know that Kolkata biryani is anytime much better than Hyderabadi biryani, perhaps subject for a bigger debate. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us this evening.